I'm going to make some earrings with this fun wildflower texture sheet. These are the 2.5 thickness guides I'll use to get the clay to the right starting thickness for earrings. I place them on either side of the clay and roll until the roller runs into the thickness guides on both sides. Next, I'm replacing the 2.5mm thickness guides with 3.5mm guides. These will help us achieve a nice even texture. I'd like to start by placing the roller an inch or so into the texture sheet and then press directly down before rolling forward or backward. This helps to anchor the texture into the clay so that it doesn't accidentally travel forward as you roll. Roll forwards and backwards, pressing the texture into the clay. Keep rolling until you feel the roller runs into the thickness guides on each side and across the whole texture sheet. Next, I carefully peel the texture sheet off the clay. If you're finding that the clay is getting stuck in the texture sheet, you may need to use a firmer clay. Soft, sticky clay will be much more likely to get stuck in the details on the texture sheet. Next, I'm using one of my favorite shapes to cut out my earrings. I'm going to bake these on some parchment paper to avoid any uneven shiny spots on the backs of the earrings. Once my earrings come out of the oven, I'm going to use the 5mm embedding kit to add these 5mm earring posts to the studs. While those are curing in the oven, I'll drill some holes and choose my jump rings. Now that the studs are out of the oven, I'm just doing a little bit of assembly, closing my jump rings, and these earrings are good to go. What do you think?